Hello guys, if you ever use Antigravity or any other coding assistant tools, then you probably have this experience. You ask to build a feature, start with confidently generating the code, and the moment you think, wow, it's actually working, then you open the generated files and you see there is like 900 lines of code. For example, here I can see there is like 600 lines of code, and the business logic is mixed with the UI, and it changes three of your file that you never asked AI to touch it about. But somehow your authentication flow is also broken. Most of the developers immediately blame the AI, but after spending last few months with building the real project with the anti-gravity, I realized something really important. The AI isn't the problem. The way we are using it, that is the problem with the AI. Okay, so here my name is Shailesh Patil. I'm gonna teach you the better way to build the project with the senior AI engineer. So let's get started with this video. So for instance, I have created here one project using white. I haven't used like AI to figure it out and decide my system design and whatever the file structure I have. I have just created it on my own using the command of standard white whatever they give us, like npx create white project. Okay, so the benefit of that we can like decide whatever the framework we want, and we can choose the intention, and we can get the more control of the project. Okay, so this is the project I have got this is the like boilerplate. So let's open this, so we get this standard thing here. So most of the developer will like um, start with the like writing the prompt, something like this. This is the prompt I have, so we can copy it and paste it here. Okay, honestly this doesn't even look bad. It actually pretty realistic. A good manager would send this requirement like this. The problem is that we are asking AI to solve the 10 different problems at the same time. It has a design, architecture, choose patterns, create components, manage state, handle authentication, and somehow we guess exactly how we want everything to work. That overhead responsibility AI start assuming it will hallucinate the requirement, and it start uh, importing bugs in your code. Okay, so what is the problem here? So let's do the senior engineer what they do. So let's remove this prompt. So this is our prompt here. Okay, here you can see we have given the clear instruction to the AI. Like, you are the senior engineer. We are building the task management application using the React TypeScript. Right? I have given what we are building. So the current state is this project is fresh, like we have built just now. Before writing the code, I want you to understand the project. Your task is to explain the feature in the application. Will need suggest scalable structure, identify potential challenges, explain development order. Do not generate code. Think like a senior engineer. Okay, so instead of asking anti-gravity build everything, let's break the problem into smaller responsibility. This will exactly how the software teams generally work. No senior engineer will walks into the project and say, I'll build the entire application today. They will understand the project, create a plan like this. Okay, so let's copy this and let's paste it. Enter. So it is thinking. So let's wait. What is this building right now? Okay, so now the AI has analyzed the core and the system. So based on my requirement, AI has created the plan. So I can read the plan. What is the plan is here? So it is saying like premium modern user experience, to-do list we wanted. The task is the crowd operation, create, update, delete, the title, description. We can give everything from here and read it. And this is the structure it has been developed. So let me close this. Let's just make it more readable, I guess. Okay, so this is the structure, standard structure, right? So this is the potential challenges to rendering the list board, and this is like generated the whole system here. So we can see this is, and if you want something to like comment, I want just small to application without external libraries with design CSS only. I can say like that, so it will basically use whatever the requirement I given to him. So let's comment this. So when I comment this, so it is like exploring the options of this, and it will like update the plan again. This is the updated plan. This was the previous architecture. This is the new one. So let's see. Okay, simple. Proceed. So you see, guys. So this thing is like developing the structure based on our requirement. So if I haven't asked him to verify from me, it was directly like started with the board and the installing the unnecessary libraries that I haven't wanted from the beginning. So I'm just asking him to like verify from me, create a plan. So this is how we can uh, proceed with the anti-gravity. So let's wait for the code generation. So it is asking for me to build. So we can say allow, yes, no. So I'm saying no here. Don't want to build here. Hmm. Okay, so it is done now. Let's see what anti-gravity has done. Okay, so this is our build focus task. So this is the progress. This is the active, inactive, complete status that we have seen in our like plan. This is the priority task. We can like decide, hey, this is, for example, morning time, gym. I can ask anything. We can like complete the task. It will complete the progress as well. We have the status priority high. We have here filters. We can like remove. It is all everything working as expected. So the biggest lesson from this isn't it that AI anti-gravity is amazing. It's a perform much prettier and much better when we reduce ambiguity in the prompt. So we so the explanation in the prompt is more important than the giving the prompt. So the attention to detail, what we want to do, and what I prefer is to like divide your prompt into smaller tasks, and then we can make more progress in our task, whatever we get. So that's how the experienced developers will work. So that's how you should work with the AI. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet with another video. Thank you. Have a good day.